guys, it's me, Cat Master, and today with Brody, we're going to do the Eat It challenge, I guess, of eating weird stuff. We got some candy corn. See that? Candy corn. We got some ketchup seasoning. Let me close the lid. And now we got some Kool-Aid. So, now, Brody, close your eyes and we're going to put a thing in your mouth. It's going to be... Okay, do this. Okay? Perfect.
Want to close my eyes?
Yeah.
No.
Open. Tastes good. Oh, I hope you guys like that. Okay, now I must close my eyes. Are you ready?
Yep. Open your mouth. Open.
Oh!
That's good. That's good. I'm sorry. That's good.
Oh! Oh my god!
I probably poured too much.
I
poured too much, yes.
It's Brody's turn now. Oh, that's how we're okay.
Not the same thing.
No. Whew. Okay, here it goes. Close your eyes, Bobby, and look up. Perfecto. It's going to be this, guys. No peeking. Open. Open. Wait, I must get... Open. Open. Look at the camera!
Jeez.
Just look at the camera. Oh my god. Oh, yes, red stuff all over. Oh, you okay? Oh. That's the Kool-Aid. It's Kool-Aid.
Wait. No, they're free. That's free, okay?
Okay.
More free.
Okay.
More even. No.
Now it's my turn, guys.
No, stick and lose it. Now you can lose it, I can.
What? You have to say open mouth.
Open up.
Jeez. Your fingers taste like diarrhea. Oh! I'm gonna puke, guys. I gotta go. Bye-bye.